Ooh, do I got a good video for you today? I'm even gonna sit for this one because I might upset some people. If you didn't know, my name is Benjamin Lacaille and I'm the Sales and Marketing Director for HPCI. And I'm doing a quick video series on connecting with others and communication skills. And today, I wanna talk about something that might be controversial. And this is your blind spot. Now I'm gonna start off with a question. Are you someone, as a leader, now don't stop the video, you are a leader somewhere, somehow. It could be with your kids, it could be with your family, it could be as a coach, it could even be in your organization, so you're leading somewhere, somehow. And the question is, when you have interactions with different people, does the same problem occur? Or is everyone around you a problem? Well, if that's the case, it's time to get a hard look at yourself because you could be the problem. Now, one thing you need to know and do is surround yourself with people that you can trust. Now, you can start with your family, and that's the good way to start, and ask them things from your blind spot. Now, you don't know what you don't know. So what's important is to sit down with those people and say, hey, is there anything I need to do better to communicate better and connect with people that you notice that I don't do? I bet you a lot of people is going to say a lot of things. You see, for me, for example, I started with my wife. I learned a lot. Comment below, tell me how it works for you and tips and tricks from you too.